So now we are discuss about the function argument. Um, if a function is used to use the argument means that you have to pass a value when you are calling a function. At that timing, you pass the value to the function. It must declare the variable that accept the value of the argument. These variable are called as the formal parameter of the function. Formal parameter behavior like other local variable inside the function and are created upon the entry into the function and destroy upon it exit. While calling a function, there are two type in which argument can be passed to a function. There is a two type of function we're using. One is call by value, another is call by reference. Okay, so when you are calling a function, in the two way you are calling a function. One is you can call the function by using of call by value, another is we're using call by reference. Okay, so in previous example, we're defining a function and we're calling the parameters. Okay, so how it is happened, I will display you here. Let me open this Visual Studio. Then file, new project. Window application. Next. Just a minute. Okay, so I will show you how to call a function. The first I define here as include std io dot h and void main. It is a main method. Before that I am defining another function. User defined function is, suppose, void display. It is a display function. int a is equals to x. So here I define int x. The value is percentile d, then a. Then for calling a function, display function, then we are passing here 50. Okay, so here it is a user defined function that we are defining, that based upon our requirement we are creating this function. So here user defined function int x, then then we are passing a value here. Okay, so which type of value we are passing? Like a, it is a what you can say, it is a local variable. Local variable means the variable that is defined inside a function, that is called as the local variable. Clear? What is local variable? Sorry? Hello?
Oh, sorry, my mic was muted. Can you please explain it again?
Local variable. Local variable means the variable that is defined inside a function is called as a local variable. Here, int a is,
What's a function?
this is a function.
What's a
Function is,
function?
function is used to breaking your tax into a smaller part. Okay, suppose if I give you all the tax, like Sri, you have to go for cooking, you go for study, you go for marketing. Okay, so at same time, if I giving you tax, that it is not possible. So that it is divided. The work is divided. Like you go for your study, mom is going for cooking, father is going for marketing for the vegetable, so that when the tax is divided in the same time, all the work is performed and is solved, so that we divide the work into a smaller part by using of this function. Clear? So here void display, this one is called the user defined function. And when you call a function, the function is called where? It is a part of the main program, so it is calling in the main method. So at runtime we are passing a value 50. Now 50 is initialized in the a. Okay,
Mhm.
now the value is percentile d, then n. So when we are passing a value 50, 50 initialized with a, then value is what it is display you 50. Okay, now I run the file. Just a minute, it is showing you the output.
Mhm.
Okay. So now see that by calling a function, by passing a value 50, this 50 is initialized in the A, then it is display the value. Okay. It is display the value what 50. Clear? You understand?
Yes. Clear. Kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry. What?
You're asking some question.
No.
Okay. So now we go for the function argument. Uh, the function argument is of two type. One is your call by value, another is call by reference. So this method copy the actual value of argument into the formal parameter of the function. In this case, the changes are made to the parameter inside a function have no effect on the argument. Okay, then call by reference, this method copy the address of the argument into a formal parameter. Inside the function, the address is used to access the actual argument used in the call. This means that the changes made to the parameter affect the argument. Okay, so call by value, this method copy the actual value of an argument into the formal parameter. Okay, parameter means what? So this is called as your parameter, this one. Intx is called as the parameter. So when you pass the value, the actual value is copied here.
Mhm.
Okay, and that the thing it is display here. The call by value, this method copy the actual value of an argument into the formal parameter of the function. In this case, changes made to the parameter inside the function have no effect on the argument. Okay, so if you are doing any kind of changes in the parameter in the function, okay, so in the case the changes made to the parameter inside the function have no effect in the argument. So if you do any kind of changes inside the function, it is not affecting to your parameter. That means when you are passing a value 5, 50, 50 is initialized here and it is printing you 50. But here if you do any kind of changes, so it is not affecting to your program. So it is display the same, it is not affecting this x. It is anything that you have to, you are going for a changes, it is only happen in the particular method only. Okay, clear?
Mhm. Yes. Clear.
Now just 1 minute. And call by reference, this method copy the address of the argument into the formal parameter inside the function. The address is used to access the actual argument used in the call. This means that the changes made in the parameter affect the argument. Okay, so the method copy the address of the argument into the formal parameter. So reference is what? This method copy the address. So it is not affecting the value. It copy the address where your value is stored. So that is called the call by reference. Suppose anybody is asking, suppose I am asking your what is your best friend name?
Trisha.
Is best friend name?
Vishama.
Gisama.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I am asking her address, okay, can I get the address directly from her? No, because she's not understand me. She's not knowing me. Okay,
Mhm.
but I got the address from where? From you. Like you have the address of your friend, so that is called as the call by reference. Okay, suppose if I invite in a party that you are saying that is my one of my friend is there, so I will come with her because it is so far, so I will come with her. So that means I am not knowing your friend, but by your reference I know where your friend stays. So that is called as a call by reference. Clear?
Yes, good.
So now I will go for the example. What is this actual call by value and call by reference? That file has downloaded that. Check.
Which part? Which part?
Share your screen.
Okay.
It is downloaded. Acha, you just open this file. The file that it is downloaded, open it.
Which one?
In lower, show all. There is an option is show all is there. Open it. Open the folder. Yeah, it is contain all the facts. Concurrency packages. Just 1 minute. Double click on the VS Professional.
Which one?
Last one. Extract all. Extract. Click on extract.
Which one?
Extract. This one. Right? Is not allowing to. Just 1 minute. You cancel it. You just press on cross. Just wait. It is going on. Okay, now open this one,
Which one?
Visual Studio 2012. Then open VS Professional. Double click on the VS Professional. Let open. If it is not allowing you, just we stop. Then again we. Click on more info. Click on more info. Run anyway. Uh, uh, just press on window button.
Window button. Which one?
Your window button. Right. Services. Services. Right there. Services. 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 Dot MSC. Scroll it down and find the window defender. Find out the defender. Go to the D block. A, B, then go to D. Scroll. Just scroll the window. Scroll this.
Which one?
Scroll this window. This window. And go to the D part. Just check where defender is present. Drag it. It is a B block. Now come to the D. DE. DE is there. Just go to the just above. DEF. DEF. No. And now comes to the lower part where W is present.
Where?
Go to the extreme lower part. W is a window defender. Okay. So right click on the window defender antivirus. Right click on it. Window defender antivirus. Right click. It is not showing anything. Okay. So one window is open. Defender window. Open it.
Which one?
In your taskbar. In your taskbar, there is a window is present. Taskbar means just comes to your what you can say in button of your window. In your button of a window, there is a one window is open. Achha, so do you have TeamViewer?
No.
TeamViewer or AnyDex? I think you have AnyDex.
No. I don't think so.
Please download it. AnyDex. So write AnyDex.
What do you mean?
AnyDex. Open Google Chrome and type AnyDex. DESK. Dex. DESK. AnyDex. DESK. AnyDex download. AnyDex. This one, where it is written AnyDex remote desktop. 1, 2, 3, 3 link. Third number link. Check here. AnyDex remote desktop, secure by design. Click on that link where it is written AnyDex remote desktop.
And this one?
Huh?
This one?
No. Next comes to AnyDex. No. Third one. Next. Click on here. Download now. Click on download now. Click on it. You have that AnyDex. You have. Okay, open it. Open it. Click on show all. Click on show all.
What do you mean?
Show all.
Where?
You have the option. We
Oh, this one?
yes. Then click on show in folder in AnyDex. Okay, click on show in folder.
Click on what?
Show in folder. Show in folder.
Show in folder.
So there is an option.
I
Show in folder.
This one?
This one.
This one?
Then double click on AnyDex. Double click on AnyDex.
Oh, which one? Oh, this one.
Hmm. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. It's 495 655 461.
Anna, hindi.
Just a minute. You are close it. Don't close it. Open it. Open the next. 495 66. Okay, just a minute. Tell me 495 655 461. So you got an option for accept. Just accept it. Accept it. Click on I am hiring, then accept it. It has not open.
Say what?
Allow access. Is it open? Please wait
What is
for.
open? No, it is not open.
So click on this cross, the window security alert window. Click on the cross. Click on window security alert.
Okay.
Close this window. So click on I am aware of risks. Click on, then accept.
Oh, 1 second. I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back with my dad.
Yeah. So what is that software?
There is a Visual Studio.
Visual Studio actually, you need to install from Microsoft website, right?
Yeah, you can install from there also. So I have provided 2012 version for working with C and C++ program. Okay, so you download from that site, or I have given a one link. And actually what happened when I try to install, so it is your firewall is blocking. So if you unblock it and after installation, then you can again
Yeah.
activate it. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a genuine software, so that's why it's
Yes.
telling that not to. It's saying that it has some security issues.
Yeah.
So can we use a different software, VS Code? We can install.
Okay, you can install it from the
We
website.
can use VS Code, right?
From the Microsoft website. You just
Yes.
guide Sri, then you can easily install it. No problem with that.
Okay. Yeah, we'll install it later. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Actually, this software, if you look, this software I'm suggesting for that Microsoft Visual Studio.
My dad is actually gone.
There is a Microsoft Visual Studio. This one. Okay.
Please stop. Excuse me, the Hot Wheels.
Okay. So we.
Hot Wheels.
Hello. Hello, Sri.
Yes, hello, I'm right here. Panda, go. What are you doing? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
I have sent a screen. Okay, so you just give it to parents. Okay, so they help you to install. If you found some kind of problem, then you can ask me. Okay. Okay, so this is a Visual Studio 2012, but in the internet you get Visual Studio 2019 version. Okay, so this is the window
Okay.
actually. Okay, so it look like it. If you see here,
Yeah, I'm here.
this one. This is a software you can download from the Microsoft website also. Okay. Okay, so now
Let's go. Sorry, there's lots of just beds.
hello.
Yes, hello, right here.
We move forward now.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay.
Move.
Now it is a work of what like stdio dot is like we are swapping the number. Void swap int x and y. Then int main int a is equals to 100. Int b equals to
Sir,
yes ma'am.
बोलो. Oh yeah, nothing. 5. No, Dad will something. Okay, nothing, sir. She is
Okay.
being naughty.
No, but we're not distracted now. Okay, continue.
Okay, we continue.
Hello, continue.
Yes, yes.
Sorry.
Okay, so now it is a swapping of number. You can swap one number to the another number. Int a equals to 100, int b equals to 200. Okay, so before swapping the number, it is showing you what is the a and b value. Then after swapping the value, it is showing you another value. So let's check here. So you go for debug, start without debugging.
Okay.
So debug, start without debugging. Let me check what are the errors are there. Int main. So here I define a function like void okay, then here we use void swap int x and y, then int a equals to 100, b equals to 100, two variable that I define. And I am initializing the value here. Console of file. I create another application, new project. Then here you can give the application name.
Hello?
Yes.
Continue.
Okay, so I'll show this program now. Check. Oh, it is asking you some problem. Let me write one by one. void swap int x comma int y. Then hash include stdio dot h. Then here I pass as int, then here I pass here int a is equals to 100, int b equals to 200. Then I write here printf before swap value of a then we're using swapping function, swap a comma b, then I write here printf %ld
Excuse me.
yes, tell me.
Can you please give me a minute? I need to go to a bathroom.
Hi sis.
Okay, thank you. Hello, I'm back.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, check here. It is a swapping of number. It is showing you before swapping
Okay.
of A and before swapping of B, and here after swapping of A and after swapping of B. Swapping means just change. Means suppose you stays where I just exchange it. I go to your location, you come to my location. That is called the swapping. Okay, so now int A is 100, int B is 100. Then in a main method we are passing two value. In A we are pass 100, in B I pass 200. So it is printing you A is 100, B is 200. Then we are calling a swap function. So in swap function, I pass the value 100 and 200. So this 100 and 200 comes to here. So now I define a temporary variable, int temporary. So in temporary, I pass 100. So in temporary, 100 is stored, and x is equals to y. Y value is 200. So in x, 200 is stored. Now y equals to temporary. In temporary, 100 has stored. So now y becomes 100. So when it is written a result, now check here. After executing this program, it is return you. Okay. Again, I run the file. See there. Before swapping, A value is 100, B value is 200. Then after swapping, after swap the value, then what happened here? If you take after swapping the value, already we changed the value here, but it is not reflected here. The value is not changed. So it is again showing you the same value. A value is 100, B value is 200. But here we have changed. We have changed what? In temporary we are passing 100. Y, then x equals to y. Y value is what? 200. Now 200 is stored in x. Now x value is 200 here. And y value is 100 here. Okay. So after changing the value, so it is not display any kind of result here. That shows a wrong. Because it is a call by value we are using. So whatever the changes you did in the function, it is not reflected to the outside of the function. So that in that case, if you want to get your changed information, then we go for the concept that is called as the call by reference. When we change with the call by value, after changing the thing in the method body, it is a method. in the method body we have changed. Now x becomes 200 here, y becomes 100 here. So after changing the position also, it is not giving you the output, the changing output, because the variable scope is limited within the block only. So it is only limited within the block, so that we're not able to get the value from the function. Clear? Is it
Yes, clear.
okay. So tomorrow we go for another part called by reference. Clear?
Mhm.
Okay, chalo, bye bye.
Okay, bye.